Laura here with Fae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in for another soap making adventure. Can you tell how excited I am about this soap? I am so excited. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I found this mold and it is ice cream cones. Oh yeah, I am making a soap in this for sure. So let me tell you where this idea came from as I go here. Let's get started. I'm going to mix together some of my coconut powder and water. We're going to put that in the oil. I'm going to add some summer crush and some vanilla bean powder to this base as well. It's all going to be the same color. So I was doing a little search for this mold. I saw someone use it a while ago. I don't know, I know I've seen it somewhere, and I thought that would be really cool to make a soap with, and just ice. And like I do the popsicles, why not do ice creams as well? So I did a little Google search and I came across this picture, and I'll have to post it, but it was like a Target bath loofah. It was like part sponge bath poof, that's the word I'm looking for. And I thought it was soap, the cone was soap, and I thought the top was a bath poof. And so I was like, oh my god, that's so cool, I need to make a soap like that. Well, the whole thing was just a bath poof and a sponge. I'll put a picture up. It had nothing to do with soap. So the idea is that I'm going to fill these up with soap, and then I have this bath poof that I'm going to stick on top, and it's going to look like an ice cream, but it's going to have a sponge. And I'm gonna have extra batter. So then it then inspired me, like crazy talking right now, to do it on some cupcakes. So it's like a little cupcake base. Instead of piping on top of the ice cream and the cupcake, they're gonna have poofs. Oh, and a little soap on a rope so you can like hang it up. Oh, these are gonna be so cool. These are gonna be great for like kids. Gosh, I want to keep one. I think this is so cool. And I'm gonna do them in different colors. I think I'm gonna do like pink, maybe do some yellow or some green ones. Yeah, I'm gonna go crazy, but I'm getting my use out of this. This came from China. It took forever to get here, y'all. I've been so excited to make this soap. It wasn't supposed to be here till like the end of May, and it's like mid-May, so it got here a little earlier, and I'm ready to go. All right, mixing that all up, and then I'm gonna add my lye solution in here. Now, this looks like strawberry and vanilla in there. That is what I was going for. All right, fragrance. It is a melon mist by Nature's Garden. It's a combination of wild watermelon, cantaloupe, and fresh honeydew. And I think it's so funny in these fragrances, these descriptions, it's like fresh honeydew and wild watermelon, as if like you're not going to put something fresh smelling. Like, is it going to be old honeydew? And does wild watermelon smell differently than like any other one? I don't, alright, maybe it's just me. It just sounds good, I guess. It's enticing. Alright, I'm going to mix this in. This will kind of sort of discolor, not too much. This is going to be like a beige, but I'm not worried about it. It's not brown. Oh, this has behaved so well. Look at that. Alright, let's get this poured into this. I realized I needed to sit it on top of something, or else I wasn't going to be able to move it without messing it up or making a mess. So I'm kind of disappointed in myself for not getting more of these. But I can always get more, right? Okay, so I didn't fill them all the way up because I want to leave room for the poof so it doesn't push the batter out. It smells really good. Like, I want to eat this. And I keep envisioning an ice cream now that it would taste like this. I did see at Aldi, it's a grocery store near me, in case you don't know what that is. They had these ice creams, the ice cream cones that had roses as, like, they were shaped ice cream in the shape of roses. Like, I thought that was really cool, and I almost bought them, but I was like, these are going to melt before I get them home. Now I regret it. But hey, that would be a cool idea for soap, right? Now fill them up a little bit more. Alright, as soon as I get these all filled, I'm going to stick those bath poofs on and let them sit for 24 hours. And I'll come back and unmold them. Exciting. I don't know the last time I got this excited over soap. Like, something's wrong with me. What else we got here? We can do this shape as well. One of these tried to jump in. They got excited too. So I'm gonna put the bottoms in so the tops. Hopefully this turns out. I mean, it's a good idea, right? It was clever. But will it work? Will it stay? Alright, let's do it. Get in there. Cute, 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 cute. Alright. Bring you guys back when I go to mold these, so cross your fingers that they stick. They should, right? Alright, let's unmold these. I'm going to start with the cupcakes. These are so much lighter than typical cupcake soaps, but that's because there's no icing on it and it just feels weird to me. But there it is. You got the base of the cupcake is the soap and the top is the loofah, and you got your soap and your loofah all together, and I just think it's so cute. My favorite though is going to be this ice cream. This is going to be a thing that I make quite often, no matter what season it is. They have been sitting for quite a while though, because as you can imagine, this mold is not going to be the easiest to get anything out of. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got our ice cream cone and our loofah as the ice cream top. I love it. Love, 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 love it. Oh my gosh. Scream for ice cream. These are so cool. I really am super excited about this soap. I've been waiting for this mold to come in forever just so that I could do this. I love it so much. I just love it so much. So if you guys want to purchase one of these, it will be available on July 30th. Get your summer on with one of these. Let me know what flavors, scents, and colors you would like to see these come in, because like I said, I plan on making these quite often. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, join me for more fun soap making videos. Any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section down below. I like it. I like it. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day. And I will smell you later.